Alright, so this is my updated everyday carry system, taken directly from the pockets after a long day's work. First and foremost is my iPhone, which I'm recording this with. Then we got a pen. This is a combination pen-pencil, pretty cool. Carry a small lighter, because any true ninja carries a lighter, or some way to make fire. Carry chapstick, shown that over and over again. Keep your lips moisturized. Today I happen to be carrying some nail clippers, in case you gotta clip your nails, but I don't carry these every day, but today I got them. Okay, what else we got? Wallet. Just a regular old wallet, nothing special. Wallet. Carry Strider PT every day. Been carrying this for a year. Awesome knife. Love it. Highly recommend the Strider PT. A little expensive. The Victorinox Spartan. Nice knife. Utility knife. What else? Keys to the Subaru. Got the little USB. Got the little light on it. Then carry MK9 with Kahr. Got the night sights. Reviewed this on YouTube. Highly recommend the MK9. I'm carrying it inside the waistband with a High Noon leather tail gunner. Awesome. It's my everyday carry system. Every day, boy.